In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images and videos from Grok AI. We'll walk through a clean, simple flow. Open your Grok account, head to the Imagine section, choose the image or video you want, and use the download option on the right side to save it. I'll explain what to look for at each point so everything feels smooth and straightforward. Start by opening your Grok account in your web browser or the official app. Being in your account ensures you can access all the visual content without interruptions. Once you're in, take a quick look at the main navigation. You're looking for the tab labeled Imagine. This is the visual hub where images and videos are presented. Click Imagine to enter that space. Inside Imagine, you'll see a feed or grid of visuals that may include both images and short videos. Browse at your own pace and notice how each item shows a small preview. When something stands out, click it once. That single click opens a more detailed view, giving you a larger preview and the controls you'll need to save the file. With the item open, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. There, you should see a panel with actions related to the piece you selected. Look specifically for the download option on the right. It might appear as a button or an icon clearly labeled Download. Click Download to begin saving the file to your device. Images typically save right away. Videos may take a moment to prepare, especially if the clip is longer or higher quality, so a short delay is normal. At this point, your browser may prompt you to choose a location, or it may place the file directly in your default Downloads folder. Either behavior is expected and depends on your browser settings. If your browser shows a small downloads bar or indicator, that's a good confirmation that everything is working. You can continue browsing while the download completes. If you want more than one file, simply repeat the same process. From the Imagine section, click any other image or video to open its detailed view, then click the download control on the right side. Keeping track of your saved files by organizing them into folders can make them easier to find later, and it's always a good idea to respect any usage guidelines or licensing information associated with the content you download. That's the entire workflow. Open your Grok account, click Imagine, choose the item you like, and click Download on the right. Simple, clear, and consistent every time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your collection with the visuals you discover in Grok AI.